All right, I think we're filming.
I think you should be filming in front of your shop.
Yeah, it's good out here. Front yard's fine. So he has a 65 panhead. I rebuilt this, what, about 8-9 years ago?
2013, I believe.
13? 9 years ago. So, anyways, there it is. Got at least 1,000 miles on it now, right?
Yeah.
Putting 100 on it. Got your year on. 100 a year, whether it needs it or not.
Probably getting into the 1,500 now.
Oh, 1,500. Oh, you must have rode a little bit. So it's a stock 74 motor with some modifications done to it here and there, but not too much from stock. Got a S&S cam in it. Got a electronic ignition stuck up in there. Got a high torque starter, so it starts real nice. Stock linkert card we did a lot of work on. Wound up changing the carb out to a different one that runs a lot better now. So that. What's up with this oil pressure switch out here? That's ugly.
It's loose. Jiggle it. It's time to replace it.
Oh, the wire? Yeah. Well, it still works.
It works.
So, oh, that's right. We got a high flow pump on it too. So we lost our oil center. That's why it's on there. So, anyway, it runs pretty good. We put a aftermarket horseshoe oil tank in there and a high torque battery, big battery. Got an alternator up in the front, that old CompuFire one used to make. That's Gen 2 style. So no issues.
Hydraulic lifters.
Yeah, runs good. It's got the S&S Evo conversion lifter kit in it with a custom push rods made to make it work. So runs nice. So how fast are you driving it today?
90 for sure.
About 90.
And gunning.
Passing all the traffic.
Ready to go.
Cruise is nice. We upped the gearing quite a bit on it, so it runs real good on the freeway and everywhere else. So crank it up, see what it sounds like after we worked on it. Probably sounds the same as we did before. Not bad for cold. It's in for over an hour. Got what?
Hand shift.
Yeah, well, it's a real bike. It's got a hand shifter on it, foot clutch. All the normal good stuff you're supposed to have on a pan end. Wear it out.
No chicken, just purrs like a kitten.
Well, it's got them Evo lifters in there. Definitely runs good. It's got a decent cam in it, not too much though. Stock exhaust. Got the old rocket style muff running from the 70s, so it runs good. There you go.